Food lovers! Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Tuton. This is Jackson.
Hi.
This is baby Presley. Say hi.
Hi.
And this is baby Harper, our new addition. We want to wish you a happy new year. And today, to start off good and fresh and the right way, we're gonna cook garlic butter salmon burger. Yes, we're gonna do a burger style today. So if you're ready, let's get to cooking. Let's go! Woo! Right here, guys, this is garlic butter salmon sandwich. Looks delicious. I'm about to take a big bite out of it. Here we go. So good. Very messy, but super delicious. You have to try it. The freshness of the salmon with the tartar sauce and the avocado and the egg. Oh my goodness, super delicious. So if you like the recipe here, make sure you push the like button, consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time, all right? Wait, make sure you share this video. All right, thank you so much. Bye.